My name is Ekaterini and I come from Germany, but I'm not German original. I have a Greek name. We live here since 2015, but working till 2007. We have around 400 square meters, actually 15 cats and 3 dogs, and we additional feed outside more than 30 cats. And it started with a rescue. I'm a rescuer. I helped a lot of pets to find families. And yeah, that's my passion and I love it. And we have a lot of pets in the house. For sure. So it's really, if you don't clean twice a day, it's you don't see any tiles anymore. You only feel like it's a carpet already. No, the pets are not afraid of it because it's not loud. That's really good. It works very slowly, very smooth. So if you switch on other vacuum cleaner, they run away. But with this, they feel quite good. It's okay for them and they're not afraid of this machine. The good thing is that you can do both things, just vacuum and clean with that. And that's really important. If you have pets, you come in and they mess up already and you don't have the time first to vacuum, then to get some water to do the wet cleaning. So it's fantastic, it's combined and it's working. It's very good, especially if you compare it to the other machine. It's enough power for us to clean one floor, and our floor is big, so it's good to vacuum and to clean wet. So it's easy to handle and it's not that heavy. If you compare the power you have and the life battery, it's really, really good. You can also use it if you don't have pets, but for us it's especially very, very good because you just grab it and you can immediately start. You don't need to prepare a lot of things. And it's not loud. This is really important for us because you see a lot of pets around, and if it's loud, the pets are running away. For sure it can, because if it can handle inside, and we are just like being outside with a lot of pets, and also in the kitchen it works really, really good, and cleaning everything, so it's really great. Actually, I'm honest, I'm in love. If you check my kitchen, you will find a lot of this. I will not give the name of the other brand I'm using, but I have a lot of these Chinese brands. And they're much smarter than the European or American brands, because I think they're technically ahead, because you Chinese are more focusing on small apartments, so you have to clean areas and be more efficient like we are, because we have big houses in Europe. And I love them. And the good thing is, you know, even if you're not Chinese, don't speak Chinese, you can use them because you have an APP. So I prefer Chinese brand because they make your life much more easier. Yes, for sure. They have all the same needs like us. A lot of them have hard floors, no carpets, so for them it's really good. And also our friends have a lot of pets, so it's really easy for them to use this machine.